Welcome back, guys. Oh, don't listen to him. He gets lots of treats. All right, so tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, so we're going back to our series of 3 awesome tequila drinks that you can make on Cinco de Mayo, or any other time for that matter, that are not margaritas, because margaritas are kind of overdone. So we wanted to do something different. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you will be notified when tomorrow's video comes out. So we've made a cinnamon girl, today we're making a Guava Paloma. It's gonna be a fantastic riff on a classic Paloma. Okay, so we've got tequila, we've got guava nectar and such. It's amazing, I love guava. Okay, so we're starting with 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila. You can use any tequila here, as I mentioned. Reposado is pretty much the only tequila I buy. I just find it has a better flavor, richer flavor. Next up, we've got 3/4 ounce of lime juice. There we go. After that, we're going to do an ounce of guava nectar. You can do guava juice. Nectar is sweeter, thicker. This stuff is amazing. It's candy. Okay, and before I get called out for, hey Rob, this is not a real Paloma, there's no grapefruit. Well, we're going to do 2 dashes of Grapefruit Bitters. So at least we've got that grapefruit element in there, so, shut up. And that's it for the base. We're going to add some ice to our glass. Do a flippy move with your tin. Give it a good hard shake for 20 seconds. Excellent. Let that all drip through. Don't waste any. All right. We're serving this in a highball or a Collins glass. We're going to fill it with some ice. Get your strainer. Actually, first we're going to drop a straw in there, and then we're going to get our strainer. There's no need to double strain. Just strain all the way in. Right. Now, you probably noticed it in the background there, but instead of topping with soda or grapefruit soda, we're going to top with some guava soda. This is the Jarritos Guava Soda. I love this stuff. This is probably my favorite Jarritos soda. It's amazing. So leaving a little bit of room there, give it a mix. We need some room for the garnish. We will top off afterwards. No, not too high. So for garnish, you can do pretty much anything here. I'm going to do a mint bouquet and a lime wedge. If you had actual guavas, want to garnish with that. I don't have any fresh guava here, so can't do it. I don't think I've ever had one, actually. Anyways, there it is, the Guava Paloma, a fantastic riff on the classic Paloma. It's just, you've got the tequilas present, the lime, but then that guava taste, that kind of perfumey, I don't even know how to describe a guava, but they're amazing. Definitely give this a try. The soda adds a nice sparkliness to it, and that rich guava flavor, it's so good. And the tequila, not buried at all, fantastic. Don't forget, guys, we have one more tequila drink in our Cinco de Mayo series, so make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you come back tomorrow to see what that is. We'll see you then. Cheers.